Hi friends, this is activity 1 for math. Your learning goal is to round to the nearest hundredth. With this activity, you're going to look at the guideline. This explains how to round to the nearest hundred. The first thing you do is you locate the number that they're asking you to round on the number line. Look at the middle number, which is always between 100 and the next 100. You find that number and you say, is that number below your middle number? If it is below your middle number, you always round down. If your number is higher or above your middle number, then you always round up to the nearest 100. So looking at your activity, it is saying that it wants you to round 332 to the nearest 100. Okay, again, you find your number on the number line, whether it is going to be below the halfway point. If it is, you round down. If it's above the halfway point, you round up. Then you're going to answer the questions by selecting yes or no. You go down, it's going to ask you whether you round up or down. You select your answer. And last problem here is wanting to know whether you're going to round 332 to which 100. Is it going to be the 100 below the halfway point or the 100 above the halfway point? So are you going to round 332 to 300? Or are you going to round it up to 400 and then you write your answer?